Hello techies. So in this video we are going to learn how to comment HTML. So this is the basically HTML tutorial and this is the day 5 and so let's start with how to comment in HTML. First of all, open the Visual Studio Code. And this is the HTML5. Here we will learn commenting in HTML. So basically there are two ways that we can comment in HTML. First is one line comment and the second one is multiple line comments. So why we use comments in HTML? To document the HTML source code. So that comment will display by the browser, but you can do it for the future that anyone want to read your code, that they will understand easily your code because of the comments. So I want to comment this one. So this is starting by opening a angle bracket and the next one is exclamation mark, then double hyphen, and here you can write, like I want to write this is the paragraph tag. Okay, so this is showing that this one is the paragraph tag that anyone can understand easily by reading this comment in your HTML code. Okay, so that's why we use commenting in any language. Like if you were talking about HTML like Python, Java, JavaScript, so in every language there are commenting options that you can comment your code. So this is the single line comment. Okay, by commenting a single line you can also hide the content. So how we can do it? Simply paste here and see, you can hide this content of this p tag by using this commenting. Okay, so this is a single line comment. Now we are going to use multiple line comments that I want to use from here. So and see, right here the opening angle bracket and the exclamation mark and the double hyphen, and close with this double hyphen and angle bracket, closing of angle bracket. So by using this way you can comment, you can multiple line comments. Okay, so these are the basics of how to commenting in HTML. So I hope you understand. So thanks for watching this video.